Now he wants to make the face to eat. You have anything, Richies? He wants to sleep when we give food. He wants to eat when he goes to sleep. He wants to say he's full when he hasn't eaten anything. Have a burp? No, nothing? You don't have anything?